Hey there, welcome back to our video. Today we are going to explore the exciting world about web development. So if you are a complete beginner or enhance your skills to become a more professional web developer, I will guide you how to do it, and so let's do it. Okay, uh, why do you want to become a web developer? Web developer something easy, but if you go into more advanced, you always want to learn new things, and sometimes you face some challenging areas. The challenging places you will, if you don't have a good reason, you will give up that learning. So you want to find out a good reason, then you will face the failures and challenges, then you stay on that failures and you will learn on them, and you can become a web developer very quickly. So the reason is very important. Number two, you want to stay on good foundation, you want to build good foundation. So if you're building a house, the foundation is very important. If you're building a weak foundation, the house will become destroyed as soon as possible. But if you build a house that good foundation, and the house will be look more strong, never can't destroy. But so that like that way, if you want to build developer, you quickly move into without learning foundation. You're going to learn more things, but you have good foundation. You didn't practice a lot of things. You will sort out. So in basics means something like HTML, CSS, but don't rely on much more time on HTML, CSS, because it will something lot more worthful. So you can learn HTML, CSS by learning more basics, something how it structures, and learn to CSS how the colors and background changes, and add some transitions. So but learn some basics into 2 to 3 months. But after that you go some project. If you search on YouTube, you can find out some blogs, website, web pages designed by using only HTML, CSS. Then you can learn a lot more new things. Then you can gather, then you practice with your own and build your own, then you will practice. So don't rely on much more time on HTML, CSS, but you want to stay on JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language, so it will most number one popular language. So you want to stay on that place a lot more time. You want to it will more challenging. So because it will, if you don't have a programming background, something like Python or C, then it will become more challenging. But if you follow some courses and free courses, you can find out on free boot camp, and then the W3 schools, you can get some basics, and then you can, if you good at basics, then you can do the same thing what happened in HTML, CSS. Learn some how to interactive web pages built, and then use practice, again use, practice, learn, fail, learn. On that way you can improve your knowledge and pattern. So that's the way you can make the basic type. And the third thing, now you learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript. What's next? In real world we didn't use most of the times JavaScript directly and CSS directly, because we are using frameworks, and we are using the frameworks to save our times. Something like Angular. The Angular is one of the most popular frameworks using in front-end development. So if you learn those three things, you want to move to Angular. Then if you good at JavaScript, then you move into jQuery. Then the jQuery is the one of easiest way to use JavaScript, because JavaScript we use a lot of more tags, but in jQuery we can reduce and use it very easily, and that way we become so now you can imagine how is long, but it's not hard. It will takes 1 year to become a good person, but in 3 months you will I talked about these things you will learn in 3 months, but it's not enough, because in professional level you want more practice. So I think if you're beginner, you won't try for these app projects. Number 1, personalized website, the portfolio website, something like. The number 2, weather app. Number 3, to-do list. And finally you can build a game, tick toy, or rock paper scissors, something like. You can build these games, and these are the most basic games and projects. And after that you can go into more advanced projects and improve your knowledge and stay updated with the real life, because if you are old on this technology, because every single millisecond the technology will change, so you want to stay with and learn what are the new things coming to this field, and what are the new technologies are involved in here. So stay updated. So finally I like to say web development is the one of the most demanded job in the present market, mostly in South Asian countries. Number 2, I like to say you don't need any degree. So because web developers, most of the web developers are self-learned, self-taught. They learn themselves by using computers and programming themselves. They never go to universities or something like high-paying courses, something like 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs courses. They just learn something Udemy, Coursera, EDX, and something on free boot camps, WT schools. So on different web pages they teach freely. I will put some links that I follow, following website, and yeah, so never stop learning, keep yourself day by day, gather new, learn different things and learn new things every day. That will make you more sharp, and that will make you more good players. So never give up. So this is the end of the video. So I think this video must be look like a something, yeah, not look like a good video, because low graphic and the voice is not good, but this is my maximum I did, but I will, with the subscribers I improved, the likes I improved, I can update some that equipments and materials, because you are the customer, so the customer will happy with this content. So I will like to improve my new things and make customers more happy. So share this video and like this video and subscribe my channel if you are new to this YouTube channel. So goodbye, see you, tata.